Hey guys, the Daily Project here. Today working on the Pepsi cooler, the Ideal dispenser company. I believe it's model 55. Today we are working on the condenser fan motor. This is the condenser fan motor. It did not work when I plugged it in. And this is why. As you can see, the windings are very corroded right there and right there. It's also very thin. Very weak. All the varnish is gone, so that's why it wouldn't work. So I went on eBay and found a new one, new old stock. It's not the exact same one, but I couldn't find the exact one, but it's close enough in specs to where it works. And I tested it. It was brand new old stock. Turned on first try. Now I gotta clean up the bracket, the crusty fan, and clean up the rusty hardware. That's as good as it's going to get for cleaning. Now we're going to prime and paint. All right, first coat of primer is done. Of course, screws get same treatment. Nice coat of primer. Just got done painting the fan blade and the bracket for my Pepsi cooler since I got a new motor. And here's the finished product. Not too bad.